static haze, a whisper caught in yesterday's maze. Shadows fall where the light won't stay. Time drips slow like melting clay. You were the fire in my coldest night. Now you're a shadow just out of sight. Fading echoes in my mind, reaching for what I can't find. You're a ghost I can't rewind. Fading echoes, fading echoes. Footsteps vanish on an empty street. Your heartbeat's gone, but it used to be a photograph with edges torn, a love that fades but leaves me worn. The silence screams where you used to sing. I'm chasing ghosts on a broken string. Fading echoes in